In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a CDN using Hostinger to optimize your website's performance. Content Delivery Networks, or CDNs, are an essential tool for improving the load times of your website by distributing your content across multiple servers worldwide. By enabling a CDN, you'll ensure that your site visitors experience faster page loads no matter where they are located. Let's dive right into the process and walk through it step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Websites section within your Hostinger panel, also known as hPanel. This is the central hub where you can manage all the websites you have under your account. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. In this section, locate the website for which you want to enable the CDN. Once you've found it, click on the Dashboard button. This will bring you to the specific area where all settings related to your website can be managed. In the dashboard, you'll notice a sidebar menu on the left side. Here, you'll either find the option for CDN directly, or you might need to use the search function at the top of the menu. Simply type in CDN to locate the right option if necessary. This search feature is quite convenient when you're not entirely sure where an option is located, saving you time and effort. Now that you've navigated to the CDN section, look for your domain in the displayed CDN list. Here, you'll need to check the current status of the CDN for your domain. If you notice that the status is disabled, enabling it is straightforward. Just click on the Enable button next to your domain. After you click Enable, your CDN will start the process of propagating. This is where you need a little patience, as propagation can take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. During this time, the CDN is being set up on servers globally to ensure optimal performance for your site visitors, enhancing speed and efficiency. Once the propagation period has passed, it's a good practice to run another site speed test to verify that everything is working as it should. This step will help confirm that the CDN is indeed contributing to faster load times and improved performance. And there you have it, a complete guide to enabling a CDN on Hostinger. Remember, by utilizing a CDN, you're not only boosting the speed and performance of your website, but also providing a smoother and faster experience for everyone visiting your site. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.